Alright, welcome to our BookYou instruction video on multiple users. We are logged in on multiple users right now. I'm Rick, in front of me is Mark, and he'll be asking the questions. I'll be answering the questions. So Mark, go ahead.
Alright Rick, tell me, why does it say no content has been found?
That is because we haven't added any new items yet. If you want to have content here, you have to add a new item.
Alright, how do you do that? Tell me.
We go to the top here where it says new item, you click new item. Let's say you're creating a new user for your internships. In this case we'll just call it intern. There we are. And as an intern you obviously don't have the authority to see the whole system. So in this case we'll make an intern. You can only see the selection mailing in this case because he has to send out all the mails, the booking emails, the booking calendar obviously because he has to make booking calendar points, and clients, maybe to add some more clients if necessary. We click save. Oh, excuse me, I didn't click in the password. So in this case we'll make a password and that will be www. We click save. There we are. We have a new user called intern.
Alright. And how can I check if this one works?
In this case you'll actually have to log out. You do as such, and instead of putting in the username of your intern or whoever is using the system, you leave your own username in this case, and we only change the password www.
This is DJ Top, I think.
Ah, this is DJ Top as well. Okay, so we do DJ Top. That's the account we're using right now, and its password is www for the intern, and we'll remember so your intern doesn't have to fill it in all the time. And there we are. All the items the intern can see are only the booking calendar, clients, booking email, and selection email. So in this case you won't be able to do anything else with the system other than these points noted here.
Alright, looks good. So how many of these accounts can I add?
It depends on what kind of account you've got. Generally we only give one user to each account, and if you want any more accounts or users really, you can contact us or email or call us naturally.
Alright, so the point of having a second user is for interns or for accountants, or...
It can be for whoever you want. Let's say you're working with someone together who you want to have as a partner, but you don't want him to see the turnover and profit. You can add the person as a partner, give him his own login, but he won't be able to see your turnover and profit. So it works pretty well for anyone who gets restricted access to the BookYou system.
Alright. And you know, if I only want to have one account, is it possible to log in on 2 computers or 3 computers on one account?
You can log in with as many computers as you want into one account. Do realize that depending on your system, you might not want to have everyone being able to see all the different details in your account. So we always advise to take a second user. Second users like an intern, like we've just created here, you can enter with as many as 20 if you like. So
alright. And how can I check my restriction right now?
Right now you can check your restriction by logging back to our original one, that is DJ Top. This is our ordinary login, just our master login. Go to multiple users. We've already got one now, and if you push a new item and you're unable to create a new user, that means you've used up all your users. Most of you will know before you actually sign the account how many users you will get, because this is one of the points we create in our contracts.
Alright. And you know, what happens to the contact when I delete a user? Is it what happens then?
All the information actually gets stored in the master system, so it's of course it's cloud software, so it's all in the same database. So if you delete the user, none of the content the user has made will be lost, because it's as an administrator you'll be able to see inside the whole system anyway. So if an internship makes an actual calendar booking, you will still see the calendar booking that the actual intern has made. So you won't lose any data the moment you delete a user.
All right. Is it also the meaning that I add some artists here for some reason, or?
And I wouldn't do it that way. If I would, I would use the users really for the people who are using your system.
Only
users are really quite cost-worthy, and artists and DJs or whoever you want to have in your artists get a login there anyway. So it will be a bit pointless in creating an actual user for your artists.
So it's for my colleagues.
It really is just for your colleagues and interns or.
All right. Thanks for your help.
No problem. My pleasure.